Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix LinkedIn profile photo not uploading or showing on iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. After that, use the correct photo format. LinkedIn supports JPEG, PNG, or GIF. Make sure your file isn't too large. After that, force close the LinkedIn and reopen it to clear any temporary glitches. Privacy tip: only upload photos that are professional and appropriate. Sharing personal info images. Avoid sharing personal info images. Quick fix: if their photos still won't upload, clear app cache by reinstalling LinkedIn. Your profile info will sync automatically. Try uploading through Safari instead of the app. Contact LinkedIn support if the issue proceeds, and that's it. Subscribe for more fun.